4 months in the hospital, 80 of those days spent in ICU. A local doctor who fought and beat COVID-19 is finally going home. WPTV News Channel 5's Michelle Quesada has the remarkable recovery from West Palm Beach.
Dr. Vladimir Laroche completed his rehabilitation here at St. Mary's Medical Center, but before that, he was cared for by an entire team at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center for more than 3 months. You'll hear about his ups and downs and what he plans to do now that he has survived COVID. He insisted on letting me see him walk via Zoom.
So, I do like it.
A task Dr. Vladimir Laroche never thought he'd have to learn again after spending 4 months in the hospital fighting COVID-19.
It was only the bone and the skin. There was nothing else. Could not move, could not do anything.
Weak and with no voice, Dr. Laroche was in a coma for more than 2 months. And when he woke, he thought it had only been a few days.
I've been here and confined for almost 4 or 5 months, without seeing the street, without seeing my family, without seeing my car, without seeing my house.
In March, Dr. Laroche went to the hospital with severe coronavirus symptoms. He was admitted to the intensive care unit where he received convalescent plasma from a Miami donor who had fought COVID-19.
Within 48 hours, I would have to say, he started showing improvement.
Infectious disease Dr. Leslie Diaz at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center said Dr. Laroche then started experiencing complications on the ventilator.
A period of time, his condition actually worsened, and we could not provide him with life support with conventional means of ventilation.
In the ICU, Dr. Rebal Darwish said he had to enroll Dr. Laroche in a trial to use a device for oxygen that had never been tried on COVID-19 patients. Then, an unconventional drug to treat the COVID, Dornase Alpha, used to treat cystic fibrosis.
The 60 patients that received this treatment all survived, and most of them had left the hospital. So we had no mortalities at all in all patients who have been treated with Dornase Alpha.
Dr. Laroche is walking proof of the hard work his team of doctors and staff put in to save his life. He says now that he's going home, he has to work on getting his strength back and enjoying life again.
Tonight, when I go home, I'm going to have a churrasco steak, a skirt steak.
Michelle Quesada, WPTV News Channel 5.